Are you an InfoComms maintenance engineer feeling undervalued or unsure of your earning potential? With 6,000 new jobs opening up, it's time to get paid what you're worth. We're breaking down the exact salary expectations for entry, mid, and senior level roles in this critical field, so you can negotiate with confidence and finally climb the career ladder you deserve. Imagine knowing exactly what you should be earning as an InfoComms maintenance engineer. No matter your experience level, is that six-figure senior role closer than you think, or are you leaving money on the table right now? We're about to unveil the definitive salary guide for this booming sector, revealing the numbers at every stage of your career. Want to fast-track your InfoComms maintenance career and maximize your salary? Don't make a move until you see this. We're dissecting the salary landscape for maintenance engineers, giving you the insider knowledge on what to expect at entry, mid, and senior levels, ensuring you're perfectly positioned to seize the incredible opportunities in this growing field. Welcome to the Digital Goldmine, where we uncover why InfoComms maintenance truly matters. Often seen as the hidden heroes, InfoComms maintenance professionals are the backbone of our hyper-connected world, ensuring seamless communication and operational efficiency. This isn't just about fixing things when they break. It's about proactively maintaining the intricate web of digital infrastructure that powers everything from global communication networks to critical business operations. The demand for these skilled individuals is explosive, with projections indicating an incredible 6,000 new jobs are on the horizon. This surge isn't just a number, it's a game changer for your career, signifying unparalleled opportunities for growth and advancement. Beyond merely resolving technical glitches, these roles are becoming increasingly crucial for driving innovation and ensuring network stability in an ever-evolving technological landscape. Now, let's dive into the earning potential. Starting with entry-level earnings, your first foot in the door. As a fresh graduate or someone transitioning into the field, you might be wondering what to expect. Typical salary ranges for junior maintenance engineers can vary significantly based on location and specific company needs. While some entry-level positions, particularly those requiring less than a year of experience, might average around $15 per hour, or approximately $101,784 annually. It's essential to look at the broader spectrum. Some entry-level roles can start around $27,000, with the 25th percentile earning around $36,500. Key skills that can significantly boost your starting pay include certifications in networking, operating systems, or specific hardware. Foundational knowledge in areas like troubleshooting, network protocols, and basic cybersecurity will make a substantial difference. When it comes to negotiation tactics for new entrants, research is your best friend. Understand the average for your region and skill set, highlight any relevant internships or project experience, and be ready to articulate your value. Securing the best offer from day one sets a strong precedent for your future earnings. Moving on to mid-career mastery, elevating your income. This is often considered the sweet spot for many professionals, typically with 3 to 7 years of experience under their belt. For general maintenance engineers, those with 1 to 2 years of experience can expect around $101,971 annually, while those with 2 to 4 years might see averages closer to $104,739. Software maintenance engineers in a similar mid-career phase often average around $67,853, with a general range between $50,000 and $90,000. Information technology engineers, another closely related field, can expect around $93,161. Specializations truly pay off in this stage. Identifying lucrative niches such as cybersecurity, cloud infrastructure maintenance, or expertise in specific vendor technologies like Cisco or Microsoft can significantly increase your earning potential. Taking on leadership potential and project management responsibilities also translates directly to higher pay, demonstrating the ability to lead small teams, manage projects, and oversee complex maintenance initiatives showcases your value beyond technical skills alone. Lastly, let's explore senior status and beyond top-tier compensation. This is where the big bucks truly come into play. Principal engineers, team leads, architects, and expert-level maintenance professionals command substantially higher salaries. Senior-level maintenance engineers, with 5 to 8 years of experience, average around $109,743 annually, while those with over 8 years can reach approximately $110,100. Communication engineers at this senior level see average salaries around $110,693, with some topping out at $138,000. The impact of extensive experience and critical problem-solving skills on salary cannot be overstated. These individuals are often responsible for designing maintenance protocols, optimizing system performance, and resolving the most complex and critical issues. Their expertise directly impacts an organization's bottom line and operational stability. Pathways to executive roles and consultancy are also open, maximizing your long-term earning potential. Senior engineers often transition into management positions, leading entire departments, or leverage their deep technical knowledge to become highly sought-after consultants. Throughout your career, remember that location plays a significant role. Cities like Nome, Alaska, Berkeley, California, and Aspen, Colorado, consistently appear as top-paying locations across various engineering roles. Continual learning, acquiring new certifications, and staying abreast of emerging technologies are vital for maintaining and increasing your earning potential in this dynamic field. The Infocom's maintenance sector is not just about keeping systems running. It's a career path rich with opportunity for growth, specialization, and significant financial reward. By understanding these salary benchmarks, you can confidently navigate your career, negotiate your worth, and achieve the professional and financial success you deserve.